Diamond Kote color-matched touch-up paint is essential for making your jobs look great and follow best practices for installation. Diamond Kote requires the use of touch-up paint on all cut edges and recommends the use of touch-up paint on exposed nail heads and potential flaws in the product. It is available in 8-ounce bottles, quarts, and gallons to support any job size. It is recommended to apply paint only when the air and siding temperature are above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not allow touch-up paint to freeze. Begin by thoroughly mixing the paint by shaking the 8-ounce bottle, quart, or gallon for a minimum of 2 minutes or until no visible swirling is detected. Apply touch-up paint to all exposed cut edges of siding and trim surfaces using the foam brush or roller applicator. To conceal scratches up to 1 inch in length and less than 1/16 of an inch wide, exposed nail heads, Cortex plugs, or small nicks, apply touch-up paint with a Diamond Kote touch-up pen or a cotton swab. Do not apply touch-up paint to spots greater than 3/4 of an inch in diameter. Avoid getting touch-up paint on the face of the board and be sure to wipe away the excess paint. For installation instructions on best touch-up practices and installation of all other Diamond Kote products, visit the Technical Center on diamondkotesiding.com. Thanks for watching.